Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Gojo and dress to impress for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and also this bang and color it white. And then we're going to wear this jacket and color it purple. Okay, this is the color code I use, and I'm going to color the second selection white. Okay, the next one we're going to wear this top, and then I'm going to color it purple as well for the first selection to the second selection. And for the third selection, I'm just going to color it white. Okay, the next one we're going to wear glove. Okay, this one, and I'm going to make it short and remove the fur. Okay, and we're going to wear this pant, color it purple. All right, and then I'm going to go to the accessories, and then I'm going to wear this mask. Okay, and then color it all black. Oops, sorry. Color it black like this. And the last one, we're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to wear coat items. Okay, go to the coats and we're going to wear this boot. Okay, and you can color all black for the first selection until the third selection. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Gojo and dress to impress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!